Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Shiva Masagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of September 1 hanggang September 8 for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano ang pinaka-messages, advices, kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kayang mangyayari sa buhay mo? Ang ating mahagilaw. So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na ang mensahe ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit, please give information for the sign of Pisces. Ano ang pinaka-mensahe sa iyo ng ating gabay? Pisces. There is a Three of Cups and of course the Knight of Swords. Kumbaga meron ditong fast movement that brings you in happiness. Kumbaga meron talagang magtutupad sa mga pangarap mo dito. Kumbaga ito yung sinasabi sa inyo na celebration coming in. Okay. There's a Ten of Cups. There's an happiness. Wow. Kumbaga, there's a circle of friends na kumbaga full support sa'yo, lalo-lalo sa family related. And of course, there's a Six of Swords. There's a transition. No, parang from sad to happy, no? And of course there's a Five of Cups. There's a regret and doubt. At of course sinasabi dito by the Four of Cups, evaluate, analyze, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito para hindi ka nagkakamali at para hindi ka nabibigo sa mga bagay-bagay. Sinasabi sa dito na i-visualize mo, i-analyze mo, or evaluate mo muna bago ka mag-take ng action. At the same time, there's a higher fund. There's a lesson learned. Na meron ditong natutunan ka from the past. What is the Three of Cups? There's a Chariot card. There's a movement. Kumbaga, maraming gala, maraming rampa, maraming social events na magaganap. Your place of share joy. Kumbaga talagang maraming moment, no? Maraming kaganapan sa iyo. Ibig sabihin, maraming ganap, maraming action, maraming kumbaga, maraming rampa or trouble. What is the Knight of Swords? There is a Knight of Pentacles. There's a practicality. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na slow and steady about sa finances. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na magiging mabilis to, pero wag ka maging padalos-dalos. No? What is the Ten of Cups? There is a Knight of Wands. Okay, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga, enjoyin mo lang kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. Be happy. And of course, kumbaga kalma-kalma ka lang, no? Kalma-kalma lang. Kumbaga, yung happiness na to, sinasabi sa iyo na to na parang enjoyin mo. And of course, there's an Eight of Swords and the Three of Swords in reverse. Ibig sabihin dito, makakawala ka na, makaka-recover ka na dito sa feeling entrapment. Transition, parang bigla kang binago dito ng eksena. Bongga. What is the Five of Cups? Kumbaga may pinagdaanan ka this past few months or this past few years. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na you're feeling imprisonment, pero this time, kumbaga, you are getting away from the situation or moving on, no? And moving forward. And of course, there's a Page of Pentacles. And there's temperance. There's a healing. Kumbaga, ma-manifest mo tong bagay na to. Kumbaga, may isa sa katuparan mo and no doubt, no regret. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga i-evaluate mo, i-analyze mo before you think, before you click, just think, no? Think before you click. And of course, there's a healing. And there's a patient. Okay. There's a healing, and there's a process and progress. And of course, there's a star card, there's a wish fulfillment. Matutupad na raw yung pangarap mo dito. There's an education from the past, and of course, sinasabi dito, evaluate, analyze, and now there's an hope and miracles. Kumbaga, hindi ka na, kumbaga, Dahil natutunan mong, kumbaga i-analyze muna yung bagay-bagay bago tanggapin isang offer. Kumbaga ngayon ay nagkaroon ka na ng katuparan. Ngayon, unti-unti ka nang natutupad sa mga bagay na pinangarap mo lang. So, what is the Three of Cups and the Chariot card? What is the Three of Cups and the Chariot card? There's an Empress card. Rebirth, parang panibagong simula, panibagong buhay, panibagong bukas, no? And of course, there's a Two of Wands. There's a decision. There's a two-path. No? May decision ka na kailangan mong gawin. And there's a choices. What is the Knight of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles? And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a Knight of Pentacles. Blossoming abundance. Sinasabi ko slow and steady but surely. Kumbaga, magiging mabilis to. Pero kailangan mo maging mahinahon. Ganun siya. Paano yun? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, wag mo masyadong ini-expect. Hayaan mo lang dumali sa sarili mong mga palad or mga hayaan mo lang siya dumali sa sariling eksena niya, no? Hindi mo pwedeng biglain, hindi mo pwedeng puwersahin. Hayaan mo siyang nature na yung magdala sa iyo. What is the Ten of Cups and of course the Knight of Wands? The more kasi na ina-expect mo, the more nagkakaroon ng delays. Okay, sinasabi dito by the Seven of Pentacles and of course the Seven of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities na manggagaling sa'yo. Kaya sinasabi sa'yo dito, team, na maraming oportunidad, maraming harvest time. Kumbaga, magtiyaga ka lang, perseverance. Magtiyaga-tiyaga ka lang, ha? Kumbaga, pag may tiyaga, may nilaga. What is the Six of Swords, the Eight of Swords, and the Three of Swords in reverse? There's a Page of Wands. There's a good news. May magandang balita, team. And adventure, excitement. Kumbaga, talaga magpapatibok ng puso mo na kumbaga parang magpapabilis ng tibok ng puso mo, super excited. Kumbaga super excitement, super adventurous, and fresh ideas. Kumbaga may madidiscover ka, pero magdadala sa iyo ng recovery. And of course, magdadala sa ito ng transition. Kumbaga, pagbabago. What is the Five of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, and of course, the Temperance? Okay, there's the Magician, manifestation. Ngayon, kumbaga, your desires into reality. Ngayon, may isa sa katuparan mo na yung mga pinangarap mo lang. Ito yung hiniling mo lang pero hindi mo in-expect na matutupad. So, what is the Four of Cups? And of course, the Hierophant and the Star card. Get more information. Angel Spirit Guides. Angel Spirit Guide, please give it. There's a Six of Pentacles. Give and take. There's a balance. Listen to your intuition. Kumbaga, makinig ka lang sa intuition mo kasi there's a gift from the universe na ibibigay sa'yo that brings you a fulfillment. See? Kumbaga, maniwala ka sa gut feeling mo. Before mo tanggapin isang offer, kailangan mo munang kumbaga makipag-ugnayan sa gabay mo and of course sa inner voice mo. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na hindi ka bibigyoy na intuition mo. What is the total outcome? What is additional outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is High Priestess and of course the Wheel of Fortune. Unexpected turning events. Well, ngayon pala kinakongratulate na kita kasi mukhang pinaikot ka ng eksena dito. Kung papaikutin ng tadhana, pinaikot na ang mundo na magpapabago sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, the Wheel of Fortune, kumbaga ito na ang gulong na, kumbaga sisipa sa buhay mo na magtutupad sa mga pangarap mo. The unexpected turning events. Turning points, turning into your favor. Pasabog at lakado, te. So, what is the Love Oracle card? What is the Love Oracle card? Sir, there's a boat. Oh, moving on. Closure issues. Mukhang talaga there's a receiving what you need. Matatanggap mo kung ano yung talagang kailangan mo. No? And there's a progression and arriving. Parating na ang tagumpay at simula ng pagbabago. What is additional messages? There's a school. What is the school? The answer that you're seeking involves going to the school. Ibig sabihin, may mga bagay na kailangang mag-take down notes, di ba? Sa buhay-buhay para at least hindi na maulit yung nangyari sa nakaraan mo. Kumbaga, may mga pinagdaanan ka before. Kumbaga, there's a lesson and learn. Kumbaga, may mga ganun. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na dapat ina-apply mo or ina-adapt mo sa buhay mo in the near future or dito during your life purpose. First, sinasabi dito, what is the chakra? Oh, my goodness. Magsha-shuffle lang tayo ng very late for cards to know what is the chakra messages for you. Ayaw niyan. Okay. What is the chakra? Angel Spirit Guides. Let me know. There's a completion, di ba? Huwag mo nang antayin na maging huli ang lahat, no? Bago mo pagsisihan ang mga ginawa mo. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, lesson learned. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, hanggat maaga pa, huwag mo nang antayin na matapos yung isang eksena bago mo, kumbaga wala ng pag-asa, no? Yung parang, there's a dead end. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, there's a completion na hanggat may pag-asa ka pa ilaban mo, and there's a perfection, no? Kumbaga, kailangan lahat ay naiaayos mo ayon sa gusto mong mangyari. Kumbaga, minsan ganun talaga, minsan may gusto tayong mangyari pero hindi na isa sa katuparan. Pero sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan ayusin mo yung perspective mo, ayusin mo yung mga ginagawa mo. What is energy? What is this energy? Angel Spirit Guides. What is the messages of you? There is a journey. Kumbaga meron talagang kumbaga may tulay talaga, no? Excuse me. May tulay talaga sa pagbabago. And the Sun card, no? There is positive energy and success coming your way. So wait lang guys, inom lang ako ng tubig. Okay. Thank you. What is Angel's number? What is Angel's number? Angel Spirit. There's a 222. I am a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance. Trust that the seeds of your thoughts are growing as you are nourishing them with your words and feeling action. Ibig sabihin dito, magtiwala ka sa tanim, sa itinanim mong binhi, yung mga bagay na itinanim mo o yung ginawa mo, no? Kumbaga, yung parang walang pinagkaiba yan sa nag-loan ka or nag-invest ka, no? Kumbaga, at the end of the time, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion, no? Lahat ng pinaghihirapan mo, there's an harvest at the end of the time. So, what is additional messages? There's a fear. Alisin mo daw yung takot at pangamba mo. I realize that I am testing my resolve to live in the energy of love. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo, ha? And there's an empathy. I am open to seeing both sides of situation. Yun yung kay, kumbaga sense of humor. Parang mataas ang sense of humor mo pag sinasabi dito. Kumbaga sinasabi dito na kailangan hindi ka lang tumitingin sa isang side. Kailangan tumutingin ka rin sa ibang options. Ganon. Kumbaga, kailangan marami kang options na titignan para at least kung ganun at ganun talaga, wala ka na magagawa. And continue what you're doing. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? And of course, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka, nasa tamang wisyo ka, T. And of course, sinasabi dito, positive thoughts create a positive outcome. Kailangan na dead matay sa mga nega, ha? Sinasabi sa'yo dito para makuha mo yung pagbabago at talagang pagbabago na magdadala sa'yo ng tagumpay ay kailangan mo isipin lang yung mga mabubuti, yung mga bagay na alam mo makakatulong sa'yo in the near future. Huwag ka naghahatak ng nega kasi kesyo ganto, kesyo bakit ganyan. Yung parang nagkakaroon na parang ang daming problema pinagdaanan pero yung iniisip mo pa rin yung problema, hindi yung solusyon. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na parang solusyon ang isipin mo, hindi yung problema. So, what is additional messages? What is additional messages? Angel Spirit Guides. What is additional messages? Angel Spirit Guides. Okay, there's a goddess of insight. Ibig sabihin dito, may ipapakita sa'yo o ipapasilip sa'yo ang ating angel spirit. And of course, there's an empowerment and perseverance. Tsaga-tsaga ka lang, ha? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng kalakasan at magkakaroon ka ng tagumpay dito. Pero kailangan mo munang pagtsagaan yung mga bagay na kung ano malang meron ka. Now, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Sinasabi sa'yo dito ng Jesus loving quotes, angel spirit guides. Give me an information. Okay, peace be with you as my Father has sent me. Bigyan mo rin ng kapayapaan tulad ng binibigay ni God sa iyong kapayapaan. And of course, judge not that you be not judged. Huwag kang humusga hanggat hindi mo pa totoong nakikilala at hindi mo pa totoong nakikilatis ang mga bagay-bagay. Kumbaga there's a specific explanation. Hanggat hindi ka pa klarado, huwag mong huhusga ng isang tao. No? What is the messages of life? What is the messages of life? Angel Spirit Guides. So, sinasabi dito, there's a dance with the rhythm of life. Ibig sabihin dito, today I find the joy in my heart. I lighten my heart by releasing what I no longer need. I align myself with who I am and gently acknowledge who I am not. I am grateful for who I possess, and I am at peace with what I do not. I appreciate and accept my life as it is. I live according to the will of God. In this way, I dance with the life and see the magic of love bloom. Ibig sabihin dito, sumasabay ka sa indayog. No? Kumbaga, sumasabay ka sa agos, sumasabay ka kung ano man ang nangyayari sa paligid mo. Dead ka sa negative energy, nag-a-asya ka ng positive energy. Kumbaga, tinitingnan mo ang solusyon, hindi ka tumitingin sa mga problema lang. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, it's a good part na para pinapakita na sa'yo yung senyales na there's a new beginning and there's a success coming your way. Pero kailangan, nasa sa'yo ang action, no? Kumbaga, ikaw ang kikilos, ikaw ang gagalaw, at ikaw ang magdidikta ng totoong kwento mo. So, nasa sa'yo ang tadhana kung paano mo papaikutin ang eksena at kung paano mo papagandahin ang kwento mo. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of September 1 hanggang September 8 for the sign of Pisces. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!